Wales produces around double the electricity that it uses, making us one of the largest exporters of electricity in the world. So why are our bills so high? Because it doesn't really make any sense. Not only do we export a massive amount, but 53% of the electricity that we use comes from renewables, which is a cheaper energy source than fossil fuels. But in Wales, we're seeing our energy bills still continue to rise, and it might interest you to know that typically we have higher stand-in charges than people in England, even though we're the ones exporting the electricity. But the reason for these high bills is a really simple one. We don't own it, and we don't control it. Just look at our Crown estates, which are valued at £853 million and includes land that is used for electricity generation. Scotland and Northern Ireland both get to keep the profits from that land being used by energy companies, but Wales doesn't have the same deal. Instead, that money gets split between the Westminster government in London and the monarchy. If Wales had control over our own energy, bills would come down, jobs would be created, and communities would benefit. Only Plaid Cymru are fighting for a fair deal for Wales where we control and benefit from our energy generation. And that's one of the many reasons to vote for Plaid Cymru in the 2026 Senedd election.